Number 5.
Your heart is the engine that drives your body. It can be scary when the thing that keeps us moving starts to act up. When it comes to your heart health, you currently have to choose. You could use watches, rings, or pocket monitors that give you intermittent data, or you could wait months to get a doctor-prescribed continuous ECG monitor.
Pocket devices have to be taken out and turned on, and watches require you to hold your finger in place. You'd have to do this all day long to get comprehensive information.
That's why we designed the eWave. Powered by cutting-edge stretchable electronics developed at Stanford, the eWave is the world's smallest and most comfortable connected ECG wearable. It's recording a medical-grade ECG 24/7, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. There's no need to stop and record. And it works up to 24 hours without your phone being nearby. You can keep using the eWave as long as you want to. Just recharge the transmitter every 3 days and reapply a new adhesive patch once per week. Whenever you feel an irregularity, you can take out the app and report your symptoms. The data from that time period will be instantly analyzed for the presence of most common arrhythmias, and you'll hopefully be able to breathe a sigh of relief. If the eWave does detect a problem, we'll connect you with a cardiologist for a video visit. Or if you already have a physician you trust, you can share the report with them no matter where you are. It's time for you to take control of your care. Take a look at our project page to see how you can get involved in shaping the eWave with us.
Number 4.
Meet the unlimited eBike system. The lightest, most compact, and efficient electric bike system in the world. Installation is a breeze with no messy wires. Just swap out your front wheel, install our patent-pending wireless pedal sensor, snap in your battery, and you're good to go. And fits on almost any bike in minutes. As simple and easy as riding a bike, only fun. Designed to give you superpowers at an incredibly affordable price. Go farther and faster than ever before. Arrive at your destination without breaking a sweat. Make more deliveries in less time, or get some help when carrying that special cargo. We've designed a minimalist system, so you can focus on what's really important. Just spin the pedal backwards to switch riding modes. The optional screen keeps your bike discreet while providing you with all the info you need. The unlimited e-bike powertrain is a transformative system that adds tons of capability without complexity. We've rethought and integrated every single component to make it as light and efficient as possible, while providing power to tackle any hill and give you a range of 50 miles. To complete the package, a super lightweight motor makes this the lightest, most compact, and efficient electric bike system in the world.
Hi, we're the Unlimited team, and we want you to get out.
We mean outside. We're here to make a meeting more fun, more accessible, and more environmentally friendly than ever.
A few years ago, we crowdfunded our first product, the Unlimited Electric Skateboard Kit. We then partnered with the best longboard brand in the world, Loaded Boards, and we've delivered to thousands of people around the world who are now riding our kits and surprising us every day with the awesome boards that they build. We have learned a ton since our first project, and we've built a dream team to bring you our new e-bike system. We are leveraging the technology and supply chain that we developed to electrify our skateboarding customers for over 2 years. But now we need your support. So choose the e-bike conversion kit that you like the most, or get our city-crushing complete e-bike and help us get it to production.
So leave your car at home and join the revolution. You end up finding excuses to commute even further.
We're more than excited to bring you the unlimited e-bike. We can't wait to see what kind of rides you'll build with it.
Number 3.
Don't you just wish you could power all of your devices on the go at all times? With Flash, you can. Introducing the world's most powerful USB-C 150 watt power bank. Flash not only has one 100 watt USB-C power delivery port, but also 2 specially designed USB-A ports to support fast charge technology to all major brands, including Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, and Vivo. That means Flash can power a large laptop like the 15-inch or 16-inch MacBook Pro, or a mid-size laptop like the 12-inch or 13-inch MacBook, or even your iPad Pro. Pass-through charging is featured on both the USB-A ports and 10-watt wireless pad, so you can charge up to 3 devices whilst charging Flash at the same time, making it the most versatile power bank in the world. Oh, and did I mention it can even charge your Apple Watch? Flash is perfect for all USB devices, including mini cameras, GoPros, Bluetooth speakers, Nintendo Switches, headphones, drones, you name it. You can say goodbye to low-powered and bulky power banks that only have limited compatibility. Flash is a high-capacity power bank, so it can charge 16,000 mAh in only 35 minutes, or a full charge delivered within 1 hour and 10 minutes. Flash is able to achieve the incredible feat of being the world's fastest charging power bank through incorporating Tesla's revolutionary graphene battery technology. Yep, that's the same Tesla owned by this guy, billionaire philanthropist Elon Musk. Flash is also the world's safest power bank. Through utilizing graphene technology, Flash allows for fast charge at low temperatures compared to standard batteries. With a battery life cycle up to 4 times longer than standard batteries, Flash is the world's longest lasting power bank. This means even after 5 years of daily use, the battery will still feel like brand new. And they're backing ASAP Flash with a 2-year warranty. That's double that of all leading brands. With a battery capacity of 20,000 mAh or 74 watt-hours, Flash is safe for airline travel. Double the battery life of your 13-inch MacBook Pro, or up to 5 times the battery of the latest smartphones, such as the iPhone 11, so you can stay powered on the go. Flash is compact and light enough to bring wherever you need power. So if you're traveling, on the go, or just need some power, charge in a Flash with the world's most versatile, fastest, safest, longest lasting and most powerful power bank. Flash by Charge ASAP.
Number 2.
This weekend outing is what I've been looking forward to this whole week. The flat tire could have ruined this whole thing, but luckily I've got a Nordshare portable air compressor. It is easy to store and can be placed anywhere in the car. The strong motor of up to 30,000 rounds per minute and the high-pressure propulsion system of 10 bars allow it to inflate tires of sedans, SUVs, and even trucks. Nordshare features a self-illuminating dot mattress, OLED display with capacitive touch. This smart device monitors the tire pressure real-time and stops automatically when it reaches the preset value. When the batteries run out, it also can be powered directly from a 12-volt power supply, such as the cigarette lighter socket. Nordshare also has more uses. When it comes to inflating a bicycle, Nordshare also makes everything easy and reliable. Want to inflate your basketball? Nordshare can inflate your basketball fast and full, and will allow you to more focus on sports. Enjoy the quiet lake and inflate the kayak with Nordshare. This will make you feel relaxed. It's that simple. With a Nordshare portable air pump, you don't have to worry about the various devices being affected by the lack of air. Nordshare, one kit for every car owner.
Number 1.
I'm Pascal, and this is the JewelPlay. And today, we're gonna have people see it for the first time.
Let's do this.
Take it on and off, and put it on, and ready to go. I mean, it's just like so super quick. It took me probably about 2 seconds to feel comfortable with this.
So you can change the sounds here, basically.
Oh, I like that right there. This is fucking insane.
Nice. Oh, yeah. This is really cool. I always appreciate really amazing guitar players, but I feel like I can be one with this instrument.
The execution here, definite game changer for some people. I mean, Arabian Prince uses it for crying out loud. That's awesome.
This is also an effect, so. Same here. And even here.
Oh, whoa.
Oh yeah, it's fucking awesome. Yeah. It's awesome. Well, the tangibility makes it easier to just manipulate because it feels like a real instrument rather than a software instrument. As far as like picking up something to jam with some friends, this is the perfect thing for it.
So what do you think?
I love the modularity of it and all of this fitting in a backpack together.
Bingo.
Yep.
For me, I love it because I travel a lot. You can just pull it out and start, working on projects or just playing music.
You can see it on the video, but actually feeling it is a whole different thing. A lot of fun. You saw it. It's so much fun.
It allows me to stay in the zone. I already have another melody in my head. Switch it on, and then boom.
She never really lets me jam on her sessions, so you forced her to allow me to jam on her sessions.
The best part is everything. The best part of this product is literally everything. You guys can leave, I'll keep playing with this, like, it's cool.
We had really good vibes today with great people discovering the JewelPlay. We're ready to manufacture the product in France and we'll make it sustainably. So back the JewelPlay today.
We can't wait to hear what you make.
Merci. Au revoir.